Class 7th, Chapter 1, Nutrition in Plant. In previous lecture, we discussed lots of things related to this chapter. Today, we are going to discuss about a very important term, which is symbiosis. What is symbiosis? So it is a relationship between two mode of nutrients of animal or plant. A relationship in which two type or two kinds of organism interdepend on each other, or they help each other, are known as symbiosis. See, a relation in which two different types or kinds of organism work together for their mutual benefit. See, if A helps B and B helps A, in this scenario, both of them get benefit. So, mutual benefit are called symbiosis. Let us take an example. Alga or algae is a autotroph who make their food by themselves, and fungus or fungi are saprophytes. Saprophytes are those organisms which do not make their food by themselves. They depend on other green plants. They exist on it and just take their feed. So, how we say the relationship between this alga and this fungus is symbiosis? See, fungus present inside the soil and provide water and minerals to the cell of alga. With the use of water and mineral, this alga, which is autotrophs, who make their own food, after making their own food, he transfer food. After taking it transfer food to fungus. So fungus gives water and minerals to alga, and alga gives food to fungus. So the work of making food or taking food, in which both of them help each other and they work together for their mutual benefits, and this healthy relationship are known as symbiosis. Next topic is replenishing the nutrition in the soil. Whatever the nutrient present in the soil, plant absorb it for their benefit. In this topic, we talk about it. Topic is nutrients in in the soil. Okay, so we need to read the paragraph whatever the present in the book, and then after we take the concept of this chapter, this topic. See, the plant absorb nutrients from the soil. We know that whatever the nitrogen, water, oxygen, important nutrients present inside the soil, plant take through root hairs. Therefore, the amount of nutrients in the soil goes on decreasing. So, if you have 5 kg of water and I am taking it interval of 1 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg, a time will come when your stock of water will finish. Similarly, whatever the nutrients present in the soil during photosynthesis, plant take it. A time come when the nutrients of soil is decreased. In a forest, these nutrients get naturally replenished by decaying the dead plant and animals. So, the scenario of forest and in our land is different. In forest, plants, animals dead, and the dead material become fertilizer, and they get benefit to retain their nutrients of the soil. But here the process is not held.